Hello everyone. Today we will make buko salad. Boil 2 cups of water. Add gelatine powder. Stir until powder is completely dissolved. Transfer in a container. Set aside and cool down. Slice the jelly into small cubes. Please comment down below if you are enjoying our recipe today. Combine all ingredients in a mixing bowl. Gelatine, coconut strings, coconut jelly, palm fruit, 1 cup of heavy cream, half cup of condensed milk. Mix well. Refrigerate for 2 hours and serve. Hope you enjoyed our recipe today.